The TEC 4500 is a highly versatile pneumatic reservoir glue gun that can be used with both bulk and shaped hot melt adhesives. Supplied as a bead or spray applicator, TEC 4500B and TEC 4500S, both models feature an innovative built-in melt chamber and preset temperature. This allows the gun to take EVA, polyolefins or pressure-sensitive adhesives, PSA, in granular form, pillows, slats or 43mm slugs. The TEC 4500 guns also boast a quick startup, cutting down on warm-up time and making them ready to use fast. To get started, simply load your glue into the melt chamber and seal it using the one-handed twist action lock. As well as allowing for quick and easy loading of the glue tank, the soft closing mechanism also ensures efficient energy consumption and the highest possible melt rate. To achieve the quickest glue meltdown, we recommend using TEC Bond 43mm glue cartridges. And for the best possible results when using the TEC 4500S, we would recommend using specially formulated Spray-Tech adhesives. Then, simply switch your gun on and wait for it to reach operating temperature. Lightweight for easy one-handed operation, the TEC 4500 comes with a detachable stand for increased freedom of movement when the gun is in use, and provides a sturdy base for when it's not. Offering reliability and user comfort, the TEC 4500 ensures effortless work for the operator. The versatility of the TEC 4500B makes it ideal for a range of bead applications, including attaching promotional products to magazines or bonding branded cards to things like baking trays. The TEC 4500S spray applicator is perfect for covering large surface areas quickly. It's ideal for bonding polystyrene or bubble wrap and for pallet stabilisation in the transport of products. The spray coating can be easily adjusted with the supplied screwdriver. Ergonomically designed and lightweight, the guns quickly and easily apply even large amounts of adhesive in bead, dot or spray form.